All right, you guys bring those feet wide. Start to roll those shoulders back. We've got cardio and toning today. We'll start dancing it out, getting that body nice and warm. You're gonna pull the knee in, you go right, left, double right, then switch, right, hit, double left. Single, single, double. Good, last time. We're gonna swing and rock, right, left, then you run, 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 go, swing, swing. 1, 2, 3, right, left, run, in, out. Last time. Good, now we kick it to the right. We go kick, step, tuck, kick, step, tuck, then toss. 4 times, kick it right. Hit, hit, tuck, hit, hit, tuck. Keep it going, right, left, throw it out. Good, last time right here. Toss it up. Little change right here. You're gonna tap your right foot, right, for 2, switch, left, for 2. Point those elbows down and switch. Woo. Keep it going, y'all. Getting that heart rate elevated. Just 4, just 3, we got 2. Back to that little twist from the top. Take it right, left, double right, then right, switch, double left. Woo! You take that little travel step. We swing it out, right, left, run, 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 ha, ha, run, run, run. 2 more times. Get ready for that little kick step touch. Here we go, we kick it right, tuck, left, throw it up, 4, 3, 2, kick it right, kick it left, toss it 4. Do it again, hit, hit, tuck, toss it up. Last time. Whew. Back to that little pull down, toe taps, right, for 2, left, for 2. Last 2. And 1 little change right here. Pop it up. Pop it up. Just 4. 3. Back from the top. 1 more time. Little twist. Right, left, double right. Switch, switch, double left. Keep breathing. Last one here. Travel step, little rock, we go. Left, run, in, out. Swing, swing. You got it, y'all. Last one here. Get ready to kick, step, touch. Take it right. Kick, step, touch. Throw it up. 4, 3, 2, kick it out. Whew. Again, kick it. Kick it, toss it up. Last time. Tap it right, we go. 2, to the right, switch. 2, to the left, switch. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, little pop, and drop. Finish this one with a bang, y'all. Woo. Up and down. Find those levels. Hit it. Drop. Last 2. And 1. Good work. Grab your weights. I'll be using a set of 5-pound weights. And we are going to tone that whole body. Feet are going to come just slightly wider than your hips. Turn your toes out slightly. And then bring those weights right at your shoulders. Elbows are down. Engage your core. We're gonna take 2 pulses. Down for 2. Twist and reach. Down for 2. Other way. So you're finding that little rotation at the top. Working into your obliques. Woo, y'all. Sink it low and then push to lift. Last one. Good. Hold it center. We punch right 4 times, then switch. Upper body focus here. Switch it out. 4. Last time, switch it for 4. 3. Now both arms are gonna press up for 2. Pull down for 2. Press for 2. Drop those elbows. So you're pressing into like a 90-degree bend as you lift and as you lower. 4 more, full range. Up, down. 3. Good. Keep your breath. Keep your core engaged. Shoulders away from your ears. Last one here. We're gonna drop and curl. Squat it low. Down. Curl. Down. Curl. Yes, sink into those heels. Push and pull. Good. Hold it right here. 2 pulses. Reach up, down. 2 pulses. Reach and drop. Sink it low. Find that twist. Firing up into our abdominals. Keep it going, y'all. Feeling those shoulders. Just a few more. We're going one more each way. Woo, y'all. Can you go a little lower this time? Sink. Back to that punch, right arm. Here we go. 4 punches. Switch left. These weights feel heavy today, y'all. Last time, switch it out. We're gonna take that full shoulder press, both weights, up for 2, down for 2. If it feels better to bring your feet underneath your hips, go ahead and do that. We got time here. Woo, 4 more, full range. 4, 3, burn it out, last 2. Last one, bring those feet wide again. Bicep curl, squat and lift, down, curl. Stay with me, y'all. We're gonna be here a little bit longer for 4, 3, here's 2. We're gonna go back into that double pulse reach last time. Here we go, pulse left for 2. Punch it up. Pulse for 2. Punch it up. Keep it going, y'all. Down. And reach. Let's go. Down. And reach. Last set. Big reach. Last one. Punch your right arm 4 times. Let's go for 4. Switch it left. 4. Finish it. One more time. 4. Let it go. Last time. And take a breath. Drop those weights. Holy moly. We're working. How we feeling, y'all? Woo! Find your breath. We're getting back in a little cardio. Here we go. We're gonna take a little punch with the right. Go front, go back, 2 jumps in the center. You got it. Popping that booty. Last time, we're gonna grapevine to the right. Let's go to the right. To the left, and we're gonna slide and pull. 4, 3, back to your grapevine. Now pull. 4, 3, we toss it to the sky. Let's go. Toss. Booty roll. Right, right. Yes, you. Last one here. We're gonna take a little roll. Front, front, bring it back. Go front, front, bring it back. Let's go. In, punch front. I reversed it. In, for 2. In. We're going back into our grapevine. Right side, let's go. 4 pulls. Grapevine to the right. pull. 4, 3, toss it up. 2 booties. Last time. We're gonna take that little roll, start with the left foot this time. Up, bring it back. Woo. Good, hold it here, we punch, front, back, jump it in. Yes, front, back. Hit it. Let's hit that grapevine, right side. Pull, 4, 3, 2, grapevine. And pull. Let's do it 2 more times, grapevine. Last 4, 3, now toss it straight up, up, booty roll, hey, hey, up, booty roll, lift, and roll, let's go, up, start with that roll to the right, take it front, bring it back, 2 more times, last time, punch it left, jump it in. Last time, let's grapevine to the right. And pull, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Grab your weights. Let's do this, y'all. Last full song. And then I'm gonna cool you down. Bring the weights at your hips. Feet are wide. We lower, we lift. Lower, lift. So it's inner and outer thighs. Shoulders are over the hips, proud chest. Yes. Hold it low. Let's pulse it down. Pulse. Stay low, stay grounded. 4, 3, we're gonna head over to the right lunge. We're gonna drop it down, go drop, curl, drop, curl, lower, squeeze. Nice deep lunge. Hold it low, find a little pulse, down, down. 4, 3, you're gonna hinge forward, start to tap that back foot in, back, as the elbows lift, press, in, back, tap, tap. Really bend into that front knee. You're gonna feel it in your supporting glute. Keep it going here for 8, 7, 6, 5. Stay low. We're going back to the center in 3, 2, I'm with you. Come back to center, drop and lift, down, press, down, press. That's it, y'all. Sink into those inner and outer thighs. Proud chest. Inhale and exhale. We've got 2. We got 1. Hold it low. Just pulse. Down, down. Sink it low. Fight for it. We're here for 8, and then we're heading into side 2. 4, 3, left side. Drop and curl. Down, curl, down, curl. For 4, 3, 2. Now we're gonna hold it low, pulse it down, just 8. 6, good, in 4, 3, 2, hinge it forward, tap it in, back. Sink into that supporting leg. Pull, press. Hands up in the air. We got 8. Squeeze. 6. Woo! Come on, y'all. Here's 4. 3, 2. Back to the center. Drop and lift it. Take it down. Up. Inhale and exhale. Find that full range. Feeling the length at the top. Feeling the rotation in our hips. down, and press. 4 more, 3 more, good, 2. We're gonna hold this one at the bottom and pulse. 8, 6, we're gonna take that lunge in 4, 3, just pulse into your right lunge. 8, 6, stay low, we have 4, 3, go back to center, take it down for 8, woo, 6, we've got 4 more, and then we take it to the left side and pulse for 8, stay low, 6, yes, inner thighs, 3, 2, back to center, full range, let's take, down, press, down and press, inhale and exhale, 4, 3, we made it, 2, and 1, stretch it up and lose those weights. Holy moly. How are we feeling, y'all? Bring those feet wide. We're gonna roll those shoulders up and back. Lift, release. Up. 2 more like this. Now I'm gonna add a reach through the arms, up and around. Up and around for 2. And 1, good, bring those arms out wide, just reach, reach. Find that rib cage, those obliques. Big stretch up and over, left side reach. Okay, bring it up. Other way, take it over. Good work, you guys. Come back to center, turn out your toes. Inhale, down and up. Giving the body a moment to lengthen and just breathe after all that hard work. 2 more here. Hold this one at the top, get a little bit taller. Inhale, and on your exhale, release down, press into those inner thighs, drop your chest. Right shoulder dips forward. All right, you guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know. I love hearing from you. Let's switch sides. And then come back into the center of your space. Heel toe your feet together. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, dive forward over those legs, nice and straight. Feeling the length in the hamstring. Shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. And then soft bend in those knees, rebuild the spine. Roll it up and back. Give yourself a round of applause, you guys. I hope you had fun today. I certainly did. Let me know if you did in those comments, and we'll see you back on the dance floor soon.